Hi there, I've got a question for you, and this has come up in the comments over the months. Which is the correct way to place a plane onto a bench? Is it A, on its side? Is it B, flat down on the bench? Or is it C, onto a strip of wood? I'm going to reveal the answer, but I'm not going to reveal the answer until Thursday. So I'd very much like to hear your comments and your thoughts, and whether you think it's A, B, or C. Or do you have another idea? Leave a little note down in the comments, and on Thursday I'll reveal the answer, and it may not be what you think it is. Don't forget to click the notification bell on the subscribe, just to make sure you catch us up with an answer or a debate. Maybe you may have different ideas, so please let me know. Anyway, until Thursday, I'm David the Skimp Woodworker. Thanks very much for listening. Look forward to seeing you on Thursday, and we'll get to the bottom of whether it's A, B, or C. And until then, take care now. Bye.